She closed the book, placed it on the table, and finally decided to walk through the door. I was told her name was Melanie, and she would be finishing my intake. Your nose, it's a little crooked, she said with motherly concern. I got into a fight with a guy in a wheelchair and lost, I told her, as I stood up and walked out. A year ago, I was arguing down into parking lot's cracked, twisted face about the quantity of dope he just sold me. He throws a jab, breaks my nose, and I stumble backwards and fall over a fire hydrant. I was looking up at a sign that says, "End continuum, not a through street." As I bolt out of gay rehab, there's an old black man squatting between two cars with his pants down, struggling with paper towels to wipe himself. He pleads at me, "You got $1, a cigarette, the time?" I find Bullet on the corner by the police station. "Sup, OG," he says. He's in a black tuxedo jacket, blue jeans, red basketball shoes. They let drug dealing happen here. It's called containment. We duck into the pawn shop where he slips the rock from his mouth into my hand for the $18 I'm holding at my side. Bullet sees a bulletproof vest for $600. The owner tells him it's Kevlar. It won't stop everything. Cops don't use armor piercing, Bullet says. "What the fuck do you need with a bulletproof vest?" I ask. "Oh, gee." "Look at me," Bullet says, close and low. "I'm a drug dealer." The homeless people have stopped asking me for change. I must look really bad. It's not the end of the world, but you can see it from here. I almost walk into this Asian guy. He is barefoot and shirtless, blue jeans and a hint of black briefs. He has a vacuum cleaner upside down on the sidewalk with a screwdriver in his hand. He looks up at me quizzically, and I kind of need a reason to be gawking at him. "I'm probably going to the gay drug rehab," I blurt out. His eyes, thin, black, storm beautiful. "Consider me for a moment." "I think that's a good choice for you," he says. "Occupation?" Melanie asks me as gently as possible. "Recovering gay white crack whore with HIV. What do you mean, occupation? What do you mean?" "Sweetie, I can't put that." "I'm an unemployed pearl diver from Arizona." 90 days clean. And Melanie calls me John. I had forgotten I had a name. A clean and sober name.
You too, Tom.